welcome back to Frank Small Farms on Westwood Farm. Now, we've got day 16 on Westwood Farm. Now, there isn't much going on the farm because it's middle of winter and it's coming up to Christmas on it, and there's just not a lot going on. But soon there will be. We'll be scanning the sheep in the next few episodes. But we're going to start. Sorry it's a bit dark as well. That's another thing. And I'm sorry for having my hand over the microphone again in yesterday's episode. Now today they're just feeding the sheep some here. They can get on with gated today. It's quite hard. It's been frosty for the last few days, so it's getting fairly hard. Then Ford 6600, that's been scraping caramel still. Bobcat there, not been used for a while. Then over, maybe this light, that's a light over that end now. Now we've started lifting some of the fence up here to replace it. It's all a bit old and tatty, so get new posts and whatever put in. Got all that sorted out. New hens up there and whatever. The sheep's gone out again now, the one that were lame. Obviously goats are still in. Cows. That cow seems alright now. Like we say, it must have eaten some wire or something out of silage that shouldn't have been in it. Yeah, that's near enough it. Now, there haven't been many stop motions recently because I've just been quite busy and there's not much been going on to do with stop motion on the farm. But if anyone's got any ideas, I'm open to suggestions. Because I know my videos haven't been just as good as they were recently. It's just because it's time of year on the farm and there's not much going on it. But we're exciting times ahead. We're scanning the sheep, and then we'll be bringing them in, lambing, everything. So we're getting better soon. So anyway, thank you for watching. So please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you again soon.